Why do I hesitate to say a Greek verb even when I know it? Today, I'm sharing the hardest Greek verbs to pronounce according to my students. And I bet the last one is your nightmare too. Do you speak Greek? Καλημέρα! Είμαι η Αλεξάνδρα και καλώς ήρθες στο Do You Speak Greek. Before we dive into today's lesson, there's one thing you need to remember. Greek is a rhythmic language. It's not just about the letters, it's about the beat. Your mouth muscles need to understand that beat, just like learning a dance. My number one tip to improve? Listen as much as you can and speak out loud. You need to hear yourself. That's why in this video I'm turning you from a viewer into a speaker. Repeat after me every single verb. Don't be shy, your muscles need the practice. Let's jump into level 1. Before we see the verbs, we need to understand why they are tricky. Greek usually follows a very simple syllable rule. See this verb. Κάνω. Consonant, vowel. Consonant, vowel. Clean, simple, easy to pronounce. But verbs like this break the rule. They have consonant clusters. Look at φτου or χνου in the verb φτιάχνω. There's no vowel in between to help you breathe. Your tongue has to stay in a difficult position and shift shape instantly. This is where the muscle knot happens. Repeat after me. Φτιάχνω. Φτιάχνω. Κάθε μέρα φτιάχνω πρωινό. If it's still tricky for you, don't worry. Break it into syllables. Φτιάχνω. Φτιάχνω. Take your time, repeat it slowly and practice again and again. Your mouth needs to understand the workout. Now let's go to the past. Double trouble. Φτου in the beginning, x in the end. Repeat after me. Έφτιαξα. Τέλεια. Verb number 2. Προσπαθώ. Προσπαθώ. Separate the consonants and repeat after me. Προσπαθώ. Τέλεια. Προσπαθώ να μάθω ελληνικά. And the past. Προσπάθησα. Προσπάθησα. Μπράβο. Εχθές προσπάθησα να φτιάξω παστίτσιο. Number 3. Σκέφτομαι. Σκέφτομαι. Don't say σκέπτομαι. Σκέφτομαι. Τέλεια. Σκέφτομαι να ταξιδέψω στην Ελλάδα. And the past. Σκέφτηκα. Σκέφτηκα. Follow the syllable rule. Σκέφτηκα. Μπράβο. Σκέφτηκα να φτιάξω παστίτσιο σήμερα. Okay, this is a masterclass. Αισθάνομαι. 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 Or αισθάνομαι. Αισθάνομαι. Say it. Μπράβο. Αισθάνομαι. Αισθάνομαι. Αισθάνομαι κουρασμένη σήμερα. And the past. Αισθάνθηκα. Be careful here, we have two monsters. Αισθάνθου. Αισθάνθηκα. Αισθάνθηκα. Say it. Bravo, better. Remember to slow down when you say a word like that. Αισθάνθηκα πολύ κουρασμένη χθες και κοιμήθηκα νωρίς. My last verb is a marathon. 7 syllables, not one tricky sound, but a long journey. Take your time. And here's my last verb, and for this exactly verb, I made the whole video. This verb is a nightmare for my students. Okay, use the same pattern and say it slowly. Χρησιμοποιώ. Χρησιμοποιώ. Say it. Say it again, one more time. Say it again, one more time. Okay, perfect. Χρησιμοποιώ. 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 Τώρα χρησιμοποιώ αυτόν τον πίνακα για το μάθημα. And here I have the past tense. Χρησιμοποιήσα. Σιγά σιγά. Χρησιμοποίησα. Χρησιμοποίησα. Take your time and say it. Πάμε. Σιγά σιγά. Say it again. This E, ita, alone, E, and the last syllable, sa. Χρησιμοποίησα. Χρησιμοποίησα. Practice new verbs in real-life sentences, not just alone. Muscle memory grows naturally this way. If you just say σκέφτηκα, it's just a sound. But if you say σκέφτηκα κάτι καλό, it's a thought. And that's when Greek comes alive, when you truly speak the language. And if you want to practice your speaking Greek and pronunciation with real people and this teacher, then join my community and my Greek Small Talk program. We start again January 12. You will find the link in the description box. Let me know in the comments which of these 5 Greek verbs was your nightmare. For you who struggle with the Greek verbs and you need them to start speaking the language, in this playlist you will find some gems. And if your jaw feels tired, then congratulations because you did a very nice job. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm here every Monday to do more Greek workouts together. Ευχαριστώ πολύ, φιλάκια!